Vuitton Experience and Cafe.
You got to book before you come over here.
So I am back at the Louis Vuitton journey. The pictures and the videos that you will get are so iconic. They are going to be a memory for life. It's just so beautiful. We are back at the Gaysorn Mall, and right now it's going to be the Louis Vuitton Experience and Cafe. I've actually shot that video before last year. I want to see what it's like, if there's anything different, but the experience is really cool. You've got to book online for both. Otherwise, you'll be standing in line and you might not get a table. Lines are a lot better now than last year. I remember last year I waited in line right here. I'll link the video up here so you guys can see it, but I waited in line right here and it was a long line. It took an hour and a half, and I went inside and they said, look, that line is not for you to get a table. That line is for you to just come inside and have a look. But today, we actually have a booking.
It's beautiful color. But very few tables in here. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 6 tables only. That's why you got to book before you come over here. But definitely worth it just to come and have some tea, some coffee, and some of the desserts. Super nice. Otherwise, you could just come in and buy stuff and take away if you want. But you know the experience where you want, at least once, because many LV cafes are there.
The symbolic of Thai greeting, Chi Sawadi. Yeah, you will see it's different from the others. Long Vivian.
Look at that, a localized touch over there from LV.
Of course.
Look. And her hands together, the Sawadi. Cut into it. Ooh, super nice and soft.
Thank you. It says LO1.
Oh, you're...
I'm gonna be missing. This is what you do in LV Café.
Oh, yum.
Magic time.
What's up, guys? I just want to let you know that I've split my channel, and now if you want to watch anything to do with food content, you can watch it on this channel. I'm only going to keep food content over here, anything that I eat and explore in Dubai or anywhere around the world. But for everything else, for my travel content, for everything to do with Dubai, if you are curious about Dubai, watch my other channel. The link is here somewhere, right there. And please subscribe to both so you can watch all my videos. I would really appreciate that. Peace out. Go back to your video. All right, so I am back at the Louis Vuitton journey, and I'll tell you what, this is something that you must do if you come to Bangkok. The pictures and the videos that you will get are so iconic. They are gonna be a memory for life. It's just so beautiful, no matter where you turn your camera. So highly recommend Gaysorn Amarin, the Louis Vuitton experience. Super cool. I did this last year and I have that video, I'll never forget it. But I want to do this for you guys once again because it is just amazing like that. You're welcome. Some of the iconic trunks, suitcases, and bags that have led to where LV is today, which is in this room. Some of the new and older amazing products from LV right here, all bubble wrapped for you to see. Super cool. Come out of the experience. It doesn't take a long time, by the way. You could be in there for 10, 15 minutes. Come into this door, and on the other side is the cafe right there where we were. And then you take the elevator up to the restaurant, which we're going to right now, and have a quick look because we are coming back to have lunch there tomorrow. But right now we're going to choose our table. All right, here we go. On the second floor, which is the shop floor, and also the restaurant, which we're going to go to right now, but I can't film here, so we'll close down.